The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has been circulating among certain groups. This idea is based on the belief that there is a secret society of powerful individuals who are working to control the world and eradicate Christianity. According to this theory, vaccines are one of the tools being used to achieve this goal. Proponents of this theory argue that vaccines contain hidden ingredients and messages that are designed to manipulate and control people's minds, particularly those of Christians. They claim that these ingredients can alter a person's DNA, making them more susceptible to mind control and less likely to follow their Christian faith. Some even believe that vaccines contain microchips or other tracking devices that allow the New World Order to monitor people's movements and activities. Another argument made by those who believe in this conspiracy theory is that vaccines are being used to spread diseases and illnesses rather than prevent them. They claim that the pharmaceutical companies that produce vaccines are in cahoots with the New World Order, and that they are intentionally creating vaccines that will harm people, particularly Christians. This, they argue, is part of a larger plan to reduce the population and create a more compliant, subservient society. Some also point to the fact that many vaccines are made using cell lines derived from aborted fetuses, which they see as a sign of the satanic influence behind the vaccine industry. They argue that by using these cell lines, vaccine manufacturers are promoting a culture of death and disrespect for human life, which is antithetical to Christian values. However, it's essential to note that there is no credible evidence to support these claims. Numerous scientific studies have consistently shown that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases. The ingredients used in vaccines are tightly regulated and rigorously tested to ensure their safety. The claim that vaccines contain hidden ingredients or messages designed to manipulate people's minds is completely unfounded and has been thoroughly debunked by experts. Furthermore, the idea that vaccines are being used to spread diseases is contradicted by the overwhelming evidence of their effectiveness in preventing outbreaks. Vaccines have been instrumental in eradicating diseases such as smallpox and polio, and have significantly reduced the incidence of other diseases like measles and whooping cough. It's also worth noting that the use of cell lines derived from aborted fetuses in vaccine production is a complex issue that has been debated by ethicists and theologians. While some Christians may object to the use of these cell lines on moral grounds, others argue that the benefits of vaccination in preventing human suffering and death outweigh any concerns about the origin of the cell lines. In conclusion, the claim that vaccines are being used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory with no credible evidence to support it. While there may be legitimate concerns about the use of certain ingredients or cell lines in vaccine production, these issues are being addressed through ongoing research and debate. It's essential to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective, recognizing the overwhelming scientific evidence that supports the safety and effectiveness of vaccines in preventing the spread of diseases. By doing so, we can work to promote public health and well-being, while also respecting the diversity of perspectives and values within the Christian community.